We are going to create histogram with multiple categorical values and how we can split those variables. That's the case study we're going to do it today. So to do that, we can take the data directly from Minitab. You can go to File, Open Worksheet, and look in Minitab sample data folder, and you can put seasonal sales. Have a click on this. So it has given 4 seasons. So spring, summer, autumn, or fall, or winter. This is the 4 seasons it has given. And then daily sales. Maybe we can assume as thousands. For example, so spring 3.75 thousand sales and so on, right? So how we can split this data? So if you look at the normal histogram, for example, I'm just clicking here and double click on this data. What it does is actually, it does not, sorry, I'm just clicking here. It does not split the data. All it does is that it gives the overall value, right? 2.6 is the sales and the standard deviation is 1.8. But we need to split this data by 4 seasons. How to do that? So what I'm doing it, Control E, I'm just going back to the previous command, go to multiple graph, and I'm gonna say they keep it in same graph, overlaid on same graph, and click on by variables. And here you can click seasons, those 4 seasons, and give okay, give. So now you can see that the sales has been split into 4 seasons: fall, spring, summer, winter. For example, let's say I'm just keeping here. So you can easily understand that spring we have slightly more sales, and summer we have the highest sales, but standard deviation is high, right? So this is how we can do that. This is one way. That means graph, 4 histogram, we can have it in one frame. Let's say that you want to combine all the 4 graphs, right? All the 4 histograms. How to do that? This is another way. You can go to graph and histogram, and you have with fit, histogram with fit and groups. I click on this. For example, daily sales. I'm going to split by directly. We can split by season. So now what I'm going to do is I have already clicked that overlaid on the same graph. Give okay, give okay. So now it has given beautiful charts. For example, let's say I'm just keeping it here. Both the charts I'm just keeping here. Now it has given fall. This is the blue line, right? So the sales is 1.3 and an average. Standard deviation is 0.8. Spring is 3.8 and the standard deviation is also less. So I will vouch for it because although it's not the highest, but the standard deviation is low. Summer has got 4.7 but the standard deviation is high, 0.78. And then winter is the lowest one. You can easily find out and how to do that, right? So now both of these one we have done that individual, then we have split by variable, and then we have combined, right? So all of these we can combine using layout. Just click on this, and we can just keep it. Okay, maybe we can keep it one row, 3 columns, or it is looking congested. So what I will do, I will just keep it in 2. Okay, just keep it here, and I will just drag it here. This is the first one, and if you need by variables, you can just click this, and if you need all together in one chart, you can click this. So based on your requirement, you can just do that. So this may not give a good picture because it has the overall value. And if you need to split the data, right, by categorical value like fall, spring, and all that, this is the fantastic. We can split and give the data, and it gives a best bell curve and all that. And then if you want by colors and all that, this is also another way in which we can easily do that. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.